What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I'm reviewing the brand new undefeated Nike Kobe 4 Protro Milwaukee Bucks. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I'm really excited about today's video because I love the Kobe 4 and I love undefeated collaborations. But I also have something else to talk about, and that's that I actually started a brand new channel that's all about unboxings. And it's not just about unboxing sneakers. I'm unboxing everything. Maybe not everything, but a lot of things. Most things. Some things. If you would like to check out my brand new unboxing channel, make sure to click the link in the top of the description and subscribe because a new video will be coming very, very soon. But now to get to the sneaker that we're all here to see, the undefeated collaboration with Nike on the Kobe 4 Protro in the Milwaukee Bucks colorway. This of course isn't the first time that Undefeated has collaborated with Nike, and it's also not the first time that Undefeated has collaborated with them on a Kobe Protro model. Last year we had the very popular Undefeated Nike Kobe 1 in the camo colorways, which all immediately sold out and all are selling for a lot more than retail right now. And this year Nike and Undefeated are still releasing a lot of sneakers. We've got 4 so far and we've got another one on the way, but it looks like they tried to tone down the collaboration a bit and make the upper a little bit less busy. Each one of the colorways represents a team that one of the Nike Kobe athletes is on. So for example, Giannis Antetokounmpo is on the Milwaukee Bucks and he's also a Nike Kobe athlete, hence the Milwaukee Bucks Kobe 4 colorway. Out of the colorways that have dropped so far, the Milwaukee Bucks colorway is by far my favorite. Yes, I like the Lakers colorway because, you know, that's Kobe's colors. You've got purple, yellow, and black, and it's fine. It looks good. But for me, this sort of forest green colorway is just a lot more wearable, and it's something that I can actually see myself wearing on a regular basis. So jumping right into the sneaker itself, the toe of the shoe is covered in this iridescent forest green patent leather. Obviously, I really dig the forest green color like I said, but the iridescent shimmer that it has is really unique and really different. And it's not too overstated, so it's not gonna blind you when you look at it, but it's a nice little detail that really draws you into the shoe, and I just love that about it. Of course, you've got perforations on the toe for ventilation in varying sizes. Then moving up on the shoe, you've got these flat forest green laces, and if you're not really a fan of the forest green laces, the shoe does also come with some white laces too, if you want to switch them out. I probably will not be doing that though. I really like the forest green look. Underneath the laces, you've got this plush mesh tongue which comes in a matching forest green. And at the top of the tongue of both shoes, you've got more of that iridescent patent leather, and each shoe is actually accented with a different logo. On the right shoe, you've got this three-dimensional Nike Kobe logo in white, and on the left shoe, you've got the undefeated 5 bars. Inside the shoe, you've got this incredible white sock liner which feels awesome around your foot. The insole of the shoe also comes in that forest green with an alternating logo. On the left shoe, you've got the Nike Kobe logo, and on the right shoe, you've got the undefeated logo. As for fit, the Nike Kobe 4 Protro does seem to fit true to size. I love the way it feels on foot, and I had no problems whatsoever. However, everyone's feet are different, and if you have a chance to try the shoe on first before you buy it, I definitely recommend doing that to make sure you're grabbing the right size for you. And if you can't try a pair of the Undefeateds on, go to your local Foot Locker and try on a different pair of Kobe 4 Protros because they definitely have sizes in stock. Continuing back on the shoe, you've got this classic Nike basketball sort of plasticky overlay in the midfoot, and in the center of the midfoot, you've got this iridescent black and white Nike swoosh. The swoosh is actually a printed on or stuck on detail that I think provides some really nice contrast with the rest of the upper. As you move farther back on the shoe towards the heel, you've got more of that iridescent patent leather, and then you've also got this TPU heel counter in green. Then debossed into the heel of the shoes in white, you've got Kobe's numbers. You've got 8 on the left shoe and 24 on the right shoe. And just below that, you've got Undefeated's logo in some sort of sparkly iridescent print. Then moving down on the shoe, you've got this sail midsole with Zoom Air inside. And of course, because this is a Protro model, that means that this shoe looks just like the original. However, it does feature some modern performance enhancements. So in theory, and according to Nike, this Kobe 4 Protro should be better on court than the original Kobe 4. And then finally moving to the bottom of the shoe, you've got this herringbone traction pattern that's split between this sail colored rubber and this milky translucent rubber. At $180, whether you're planning to ball in this shoe or just wear the shoe casually, the Kobe 4 Protro Undefeated is an excellent pickup. The real challenge is though finding a pair of these for $180 because right now they're all reselling for more than retail. There is an Undefeated Black Mamba colorway releasing on the SNKRS app this month, so if you missed out on these colorways, you could go for that colorway. And as someone who's not really a huge Kobe fan, I respected what he did, but just not really a huge Kobe fan, I don't even have any Kobe sneakers, I still really love the way this sneaker looks. I love the colorway, and I think it's gonna be really fun to rock. But now I would love to know your thoughts on the undefeated Nike Kobe 4 Protro Milwaukee Bucks, and whether you like this colorway or whether you prefer some of the other colorways. So let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.